What's up, y'all? It's your boy TST. About to go ahead and get this haircut with my cousin Marcus. Billionaire's Barbershop, the best barbershop in Midtown, as well as our other locations, as in Cary and Triangle Town Center. So we're about to go ahead and get this cut, show how my family get down.
These police ain't never gonna know, you niggas ain't never gonna know, you bitches ain't never gonna know, but you know that I know. Just know that I know, just know that I know.
I just follow the code, I'm full of this bag, ain't never gonna know. The SUV limo tinted, Escalades, we don't roll the same lanes. We was out the muddy back when it was ugly, trying to campaign. What I'ma do it, make it look a little different, it's the same thing. Cause them niggas want built. I was a soundtrack to the streets when my brother got killed. And they left me alone, they ain't never gonna know. I've been dealing with accepting, they ain't gonna respect it. I've been motivated, focused, my energy be getting tested. Beauty tatted on my arm, put it on a necklace. I'ma get it how I want for what you suggested. Never was easy. Tell them niggas I got jobs for them like Steve. Told them it was worth it, they ain't won't believe me. Them niggas try to send a message, we ain't gon' receive it. And it's all up for the shit, but can't forget how they try to treat me.
Police ain't never gon' know, niggas ain't never gon' know. Just know that I know, just know that I know, and they never gon' know. You never gon' know, you never gon' know. These niggas ain't never gon' know, and you bitches ain't never gon' know, but just know that I know. Put that on my soul, put that on my soul, you just know that I know. You know that I know, you know that I know, you ain't never gon' know. These police ain't never gon' know, you niggas ain't never gon' know, and you bitches ain't never gon' know, but you know that I know. You know that I know, just know that I know. Chronicle yellow tape, exist in the devil's space. Ambition to elevate, but try not to separate. The losses we can't erase, wins we gon' celebrate. I started 2008, and I promised my niggas I'd take this shit all away. Never complain, I take all the hate. Turn, I'm just asking for all your faith. Follow my lead and you saw the lake, so don't turn on me now if you're not a snake. We went to war and I caught a case.
Alright, y'all, we back. It's your boy TST. Looking at this cut, looking amazing. My cousin got me looking right, y'all. So if you guys want to get right, my cousin will cut your hair as well. It's affordable. It's close by for anybody in Raleigh, Cary, or the surrounding triangles. I'll let him finish off and tell you how you guys can find him and follow him.
Marcus Short, Billionaire's Barbershop 404 East 6 Forks Road. We have 4 locations: Raleigh, Cary, Triangle Mall, New Bern Avenue, Midtown. Come by and check us out here because it's so affordable. It's Billionaire's Barbershop. You ain't got to be one to look like one. Come check us out. Follow me online at all media platforms at Bitcoin Heaven. Have a good day.
It is, y'all. Appreciate it, guys. Love you, man.
Love you too.
You never gon' know. These niggas ain't never gon' know, and you bitches ain't never gon' know, but just know that I know. Put that on my soul. Put that on my soul, you just know that I know.